welcome back to the channel. Hey gorgeous, welcome back to the channel. Hello, welcome back. If it is your first time here, my name is Chelsea. So today I will be working with this unit from Omgherhair. So it's 8 inches. I'm going to leave the link to it in case if you like it on the description box. Head to the description box. The link to this very wig will be on the description box. If you want to see the unboxing of this unit and how I install it, keep on watching. Inside the case, there is a wig cap that came with the wig. There is wax stick, adjustable elastic band, a scarf, then another elastic, a comb. So these are the goodies that came with this wig. There are a lot. So this is the wig. It's kept in this dust bag. Everything is so neat about this company. It's 8 inches. The hair color is NC and the density is 180 density. The whole front bleached. The whole front is bleached. The hair texture is short coily bob. So it's written in the pack, so you know what you ordered for. It's written here. Okay. So guys, see my face. You see all these pimples you're seeing right here. They are so big, especially this one. For 1 week now, I've not filmed because of this. It was so mighty. It's coming down. This happens each time I eat peanut butter. Once I eat peanut butter, I have this. Each time I eat peanut butter, this is what happened to me. Come closer so you guys can see it. You see this here? Is so mighty, and there is another one here coming out. I'm trying to fight that. So each time I eat peanut butter, this is what happened to me. This is not the first time. So it's like peanut butter is not good for me. I will stop eating peanut butter. So this is a wig. It's 8 inches. And it's coily bob wig WC pattern. So this is the front. It came with a pattern. The hair is already pre-plucked. Let me try and brush it back. You see this? And I like the back. See, it's short while the front is longer. You see, the front is longer than the back. The name of the company is Omgherhair. It's really difficult for me to pronounce this. How do they pronounce this? Just let me know in the comment section. Omgherhair. So that is the name of the company. One thing I like about this short hair, when the weather is so hot, you need this. You need this, okay? It's not too long, it doesn't disturb you. Just got this pastel coil, something like pastel. Is it pastel coil they call it? Inside, it came with combs at the back, front and side. Okay, and the lace is the full front lace. I think this kind of hair is not difficult to install. It's very easy. So I'm just going to wear this. Let's see this. Okay. So because I'll take this pattern. Let me cut the excess lace first. Let me see what I'll do. So this is it. You know what, guys, I'm not going to bleach this. I'm just going to leave it this way. Let's see. So guys, this is it. I cut the excess lace off camera, and this is the lace, the wig right now, without anything done to it. I haven't glued it down. You can see it. See it here. It's not yet glued down. So you see, I want to work on it. You see that this side is longer than this side. So what I want to do, I want to cut this side more shorter, then why I will leave this side longer. Okay, if that makes sense. Let me see. I'll put the pattern. Okay. I don't know. I'll shift this down. Okay, I'm going to take this backward. Like this. And take this backward. So I don't want to do much with this. The hair is thick and it looks very so natural, just like your natural hair. I like that. You can see this. So I'm just going to glue it down a little bit. I'm thinking of what to do. I'm really thinking of what to do to this hair. So I'm just going to glue it down, but I'm not using glue. I'm going to use styling gel. If you watch most of my videos, you'll know that I use this styling gel to install my wigs. So I'm going to apply styling gel.
Loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. Love a little.
So I'm going to use this as my baby hair. Create baby hair here. And take this down.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know one single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me.
I'm going to spray little water on it. Here is ordinary water, and this one, moisturizing curly activator. I mix this inside water, so I'm just going to add this to the hair.
I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah.
So guys, that is it for this hair tutorial. I'm going to leave the link to the wig on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. It's Omgherhair, something like that. Omgherhair, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well. So I'm going to leave the link on it of the wig on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. And gorgeous, please, before you go, don't hesitate to subscribe if you haven't, and click on that bell icon. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye. Ciao.